Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello everyone. Welcome to another tutorial on Seaborn. Drawing attractive figures is important. Visualizations are also central to communicating qualitative insights to an audience, and in that setting, it's even more necessary to have figures that catch the attention and draw a viewer in. Seaborn comes with a number of customized themes and a high-level interface for controlling the look of Matplotlib figures. In this session, we are planning to explore all of them. First, we are going to import NumPy, Seaborn and Matplotlib libraries. Now we are going to define a signPlot function to plot some offset sine waves, which will help us see the different stylistic parameters we can tweak. Now we will plot the function with Matplotlib defaults. To switch to Seaborn default, we just need to call the set function. Now if we execute the signPlot again, it will use the Seaborn default style. In this section, we are going to focus on Seaborn figure styles. Seaborn has 5 preset themes: dark grid, white grid, dark, white and text. They are each suited to different applications and personal preferences. The default theme is dark grid. Now we will set different theme and check with signPlot. First, white grid. Now we will use dark without grid. The next one is white without grid. And finally, we will use this text. So we can easily choose our own theme. If we want to customize the Seaborn style, we can pass a dictionary of parameters to the argument of set style. If we want to see what parameters are included, we can just call the XStyle function without any argument. We can change any parameters as per our visualization need. If we want to change the specific value of the parameters, we just need to pass this to the setStyle function. Now check that again. Now in the face color we have 0.9. In this section, we are going to explore the way of scaling plot elements. In order of relative size, Seaborn has 4 preset contexts. These are paper, notebook, talk and poster. The notebook style is the default. Now we are going to use other styles one by one. First, we are setting the default Seaborn theme. Now we are going to use the paper theme. The next one is talk theme. Now we will consider the poster theme. Basically, this theme depends on our preferences. Finally, we can even use a specific theme, changing the specific parameters. In this specific scenario, we want to change the line width of notebook theme. So it seems pretty well. We have finished our demonstration in Jupyter. Now returning to the presentation. In this session, we have discussed on Seaborn figure aesthetics. That's all for today.